Top 3 facts about Toyota 86. Fact number 1. The Toyota 86 is a small, sporty car designed for fun driving, and it has a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine that produces about 200 horsepower. Fact number 2. Compared to other sports cars, the Toyota 86 is more affordable, and it was made in partnership with Subaru, and Subaru's version is called the BRZ. Fact number 3. It's a good choice for people who are new to sports cars, and Toyota 86 first came out in 2012. And subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about KTM X-Bull GTXR. Fact number 1. Only a small number of these cars are made, making it rare and special, and it costs a lot, around €284,900, but it's aimed at car enthusiasts who want something unique. Fact number 2. The car is very light because it's made with carbon fiber, which helps it go faster and handle better. Fact number 3. Like in many race cars, the steering wheel can be removed. This makes getting in and out of the car easier, especially since the cockpit is small. And subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Fact number 1. The Mach 1 had unique features like a blacked-out hood, sporty side scoops, a rear spoiler, and shiny chrome exhaust pipes. Fact number 2 came with powerful V8 engines. The most popular ones were the 351 cubic inch V8 and the super powerful 428 Cobra Jet V8. Fact number 3 could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.5 seconds if equipped with the right engine, and was very successful, with over 72,000 Mach 1 cars sold in 1969. And subscribe me for another informations about the cars. Top 3 facts about Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Fact number 1. In some countries, it was sold as the Dodge Stealth, a similar version made by Mitsubishi for Dodge. Fact number 2. Production of Mitsubishi 3000 GT was ended in 2001, but it's still remembered as one of Mitsubishi's best sports cars. Fact number 3. It came with powerful engines, including a 3.0-liter V6. Some models even had twin turbos, making them very fast. And subscribe me for another informations about the cars.